Greeting educators, this is Nancy Punjabi and I'm glad to be back on my channel. Teachers looking for a digital board for their online class will find a lot of value in today's video as I address the most often asked questions regarding digital boards. Nearly 90% of our clients ask the questions which we will cover, and since purchasing a digital board is obviously a significant investment, I'm sure you have many questions as well. Don't worry though, after watching this video, all of your questions will be answered and you'll be completely clear to purchase a digital board. The first question which arises in the minds of teachers before buying is, do we need to connect the digital panel to a laptop or a PC? The panel is similar to that of an Android phone. Just like that, you can binge on YouTube, you can watch videos, and you can see images on this panel. Speaking of teachers, this panel is an all-in-one device for teachers since you do not need to connect any other device. The reason is that this panel has all the tools built that are required by teachers and are very helpful to them. But if you have any XYZ software or any application that can run on Windows only, then you can connect your laptop or system to this panel through some of the ports given here. The next question that strikes many people's mind is that whether we can use internet on this or not. The answer is yes. Just like you use Wi-Fi and the internet on your mobile phone, in the same way you can use wired and wireless internet connection on this panel. The third question is, can we Google search on this panel? Well, now many teachers have this doubt because Google searching is one of the most important aspects of an online or a hybrid coaching class since it is of a great use of them. So, as I open the browser here, you will see a Google search bar. Now, for example, if I type anything, all of the images, videos and information associated with this particular word will appear on this window, will appear on the Google just like that. So you can browse any teaching content or you have to prepare anything, you can browse easily from your panel only. Another question which is asked to us several times is, does it consist of a whiteboard? This question is generated because for a teacher, a whiteboard is the most crucial element since it is very useful in teaching students in real time, using figures, formulas or any simple explanation. During these times, teachers usually need a blackboard, green board or a whiteboard. But since we are in the era of digitalization, technology has made everything very easy. You get writing note software that comes with a lot of interesting and vibrant teaching tools, which enhances the interaction and engagement in the class between teachers and students. Just the way you draw shapes with your hands in your class, you get a whole option of 2D and 3D shapes in this panel. For example, if I'm doing this, you will get a shape within a second. And for example, we go for 3D. That's very interesting. Just like this, you can drag it anywhere on the screen. Also, you can annotate, you can explain on this, which becomes very simplified. And there comes a lot of tools on this bar for teachers to enhance the teaching experience in your class and to make teachers' life very easy. You get shapes, you get partitions, table, mind map. You get also mathematical tools like this. Another common query teachers have is that whether we can open a PPT or PDF or not in this panel. So yes, you can import any PPT or PDF. For that, you have to open the document where you are teaching and then click on to import and then on to selecting a file. And just like that, your page will be imported in your document. And by selecting on this and by selecting on the pen and the color of the pen, you can annotate it, you can explain your teachers and you can highlight anything. And you can explain your students through this PDF only. And just like this, voila, you are done. All the slide pages will appear here and you can teach and write on it directly. Apart from this, there are a lot of queries which teachers have, and for that you can always connect with us on this given number. I hope I was able to clear a couple of doubts and questions and relieve you from the confusion of whether to buy a panel or not. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.